Okay, this is Team PC's. This is our whiteboard problem, and we had water purification, and we're going to be discussing our design for the concept map for the system.
Okay, so we have a water purification system. So we have our concept map. It has the domain of water purification, and we have 4 concepts coming off of that: costs, usage, process, and design. So our first concept that we're going to discuss is usage. There's many different uses for a water purification system. One is consumption. For everyone, we need to drink water. In order to drink water, you have to have water that has been filtered and purified, because most of the water, as we all know, is not fresh water, it's salt water. Another use is for medical. This can be used for cleansing and other medical practices. There's also chemical, which can be, as an example, is distilled water, which is often used in to clean materials in science labs and such.
Okay, next we have the design of these systems. They can be complex or simple. One of the main simple ones would be like a sand filter. Basically, you run water through a cup of sand or whatever, and it filters out all the harmful and hurtful bacteria and whatnot. Also, there are complex filters such as ultraviolet filters, which are more costly and also involve more research to create and more cost to run.
Our other concept is process. You can purify water through several different processes: chemical, physical, and biological. An example of a chemical purification system is using process of chlorination, so to chlorinate the water in order to get rid of any harmful bacteria. Another is in physical is just filtration, so running water through a filter that will remove any impurities in the water. Also in physical is boiling water. In biological, you have sand filters, as was just discussed.
And the last part of our concept map is cost. We all know that costs are a major part of the engineering process, and in this particular case, costs can vary with different types of filters. Obviously, the cheaper filters again cost next to nothing to run, such as boiling water. It's a really simple way to filter, very effective. It's been used for hundreds of years, obviously. Some more costly filters include ultraviolet filters and things like that. Chlorination can also be costly for running a pool, and but the basic concept here is that the cost can vary from filter to filter. It's not always a large system, but they do have different types, such as electrical filters and things like that.
And also, the cost can vary for purification systems, whether it's based on a personal use for just a few people, or whether it's on a large-scale use, such as in a city or business or something like that. So this has been our presentation on concept maps and the water purification system.